Hey, my beauties. Sometimes it's hard to know if a guy truly sees a future with you or if he's just enjoying the moment. Words can sound sweet, but real seriousness always shows through actions. When a man genuinely cares about you, his effort becomes consistent, thoughtful, and intentional. The little things he does start revealing how much you actually matter to him. 1. He makes time for you. When a man is serious about you, he naturally makes time for you in his life. Even if he has a busy schedule, he still finds moments to check in, call, or spend time together. You don't feel like you're always chasing his attention or waiting endlessly for him to reply. His effort feels balanced and genuine. Instead of making excuses, he finds ways to stay connected. That consistency shows that you are important to him. Being busy doesn't stop someone who truly cares. Even small gestures like a quick message or asking about your day show that you're on his mind. You don't feel forgotten or pushed aside for long periods of time. Over time, you notice that spending time with you becomes part of his routine. He chooses you even when life gets hectic. That kind of effort is a strong sign that he's serious. 2. He includes you in his life. A man who is serious about you slowly opens the door to his world. You start hearing more about his friends, family, and personal experiences. He doesn't keep you hidden or separated from everything else in his life. Instead, he shares those parts of himself with you. This openness helps build a deeper connection. It shows that he trusts you and values your presence. When someone includes you in their life, you begin to feel like you belong there. You're not just someone he talks to occasionally. Instead, you become part of his daily conversations and experiences. Meeting the people who matter to him can also be a strong sign. It shows he's comfortable showing the relationship to others. That kind of confidence usually comes from genuine feelings. 3. He talks about the future with you. When a man is serious, future conversations start including you. It might begin with simple plans like trips, events, or things you could do together someday. These conversations happen naturally during normal discussions. You start hearing we instead of just I. That small shift can say a lot about his mindset. It shows that he imagines you staying in his life. People usually don't plan ahead with someone they see as temporary. When someone consistently talks about doing things together later on, it reveals their intentions. Those little future plans create a sense of stability in the relationship. Instead of feeling uncertain, you start feeling included. That emotional security is important in serious relationships. It's often a quiet sign of long-term interest. 4. He wants to understand you. A serious man becomes genuinely curious about who you are as a person. He asks about your opinions, dreams, and experiences. Conversations start going deeper than just casual flirting. He listens carefully when you talk about things that matter to you. That attention shows emotional interest. It means he values more than just your presence. When someone wants to understand you, they remember the details you share. They ask follow-up questions and show real curiosity about your life. This effort makes you feel heard and appreciated. Emotional understanding helps strengthen the bond between two people. It creates a deeper level of connection. And that connection is often a sign that his feelings are genuine. 5. He supports your goals. When a man is serious about you, he encourages your personal growth. Your dreams and ambitions matter to him. Instead of feeling threatened by your success, he celebrates it. His support makes you feel motivated rather than restricted. That kind of encouragement strengthens the relationship. It shows he wants to see you happy. Support can appear in small ways. He listens when you talk about your goals or challenges. Sometimes he reminds you of your strengths when you feel unsure. Those moments show that he believes in you. Feeling supported creates a strong emotional connection. It also shows that he sees the relationship as a partnership. 6. He communicates during difficult moments. Every relationship experiences misunderstandings at some point. What matters is how those situations are handled. A serious man doesn't disappear when things get uncomfortable. Instead, he tries to communicate and work through the problem. Even difficult conversations become opportunities to understand each other better. That effort shows emotional maturity. Avoiding problems usually creates distance, but someone who truly values the relationship chooses to address issues. He listens to your perspective and shares his thoughts honestly. This openness helps build trust over time. It shows that he cares about protecting the connection, and that effort is a strong sign of seriousness. His actions match his words. One of the clearest signs that a man is serious about you is consistency. What he says matches what he actually does. You don't feel confused about where you stand in his life. His behavior supports the promises he makes. That reliability builds trust naturally. Actions always reveal true intentions. Over time, that consistency creates emotional security. You stop questioning his feelings or doubting the relationship. Instead, you feel confident about the connection you're building together. Stability becomes the foundation of the relationship. When someone consistently shows up for you, it's a strong sign they truly care. Real seriousness isn't always loud or dramatic. It shows through consistent effort, emotional presence, and the way someone treats you over time. When a man truly values you, his actions make that clear. If this video resonated with you, like and subscribe to SoulSync and tell me in the comments, what sign made you realize someone was serious about you?